What's going on, guys? Retro Obsessed here. Today we got a package from Temu, my first ever package. But did I actually get what I ordered? Let's check it out.
Are you obsessed with retro?
Do you play racing games from morning to night?
Did you convert your garage into a game room?
If the answer is yes,
Subscribe now.
Retro Obsessed is ready to entertain you.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. I am Retro Obsessed. It's an obsession. Hope you guys are doing well out there. Today's video, I ordered for the first time ever from Temu. I wanted to try it out. Everyone's been raving about it, how you can just get insane deals. And I think I got some insane deals. I got just under $100 worth of stuff, supposedly, for $17 and some change. I think my total was like $21 and some change. I'll throw the price up at the end. I won't spoil what I actually got. I'm going to open it up with you guys because I have not even opened this yet. Show you what I got, how much it would originally sell for, and how much I paid for it. And then if the sizes are correct, because I did get stuff that had different sizes, so I want to make sure everything works, make sure everything's correct, kind of go from there. I mean, it did. Now, the downside, it takes a little while to get. This took just under 2 weeks, which isn't horrible coming from China. You know what I mean? But at the same time, if you're willing to wait, you can get some pretty decent stuff for cheap, we're hoping. So let's open this baby up and see what we got. All right, first up here is an adapter for the PC. This is a 90-degree elbow with RGB lighting that goes on the 24-pin connector with a little RGB light. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'll show you right there. This is what it is, a 90-degree adapter. Like I said, it goes onto the computer, onto the 24-pin, and it has a little RGB light. We'll see. Now, I did order white, so we'll see if I actually got black or white, because it has black on here. So let's open it up and see what I got. Okay, so I did get the white one, and you can see right there. So I did get the correct one, and I will plug it in to see if it works. But for this 24-pin 90-degree elbow with RGB, originally should have been $22.49. I paid $6.98 for it. Great deal. On to the next. All right, up next, this is a horror movie canvas print. It's a soft-sided canvas with a bunch of horror movies on it. And the one I got was 16 inches by 32. So let's open it up and take a look at it. All right, like I said, it is a soft-sided canvas, so I'm not expecting the greatest quality, but let's check it out. Oh, that is awesome. That is definitely about 31 inches long, but check it out. I'm just gonna show you guys right here. That is actually really, really cool. I'll probably put this in my game room. Above my movie section. I don't know if they make a frame this size, but that would definitely be awesome in a nice black frame. And the price for this originally was $11. I don't know how much the stuff really is, but I paid $5.49 for this. That is pretty awesome. Not bad for $5. I can dig that. I like that. on to the next. All right, up next is an American Flag extra large mouse pad. I just wanted to get something for my racing simulator over here. That way I can have it hooked up and you can see it. I wanted to get something. I like American flags, obviously. I have them all over the place. And this was, I didn't have a size, so but I got the extra. I think it was the extra large or the XXL. I don't remember. I think it was the extra large. It didn't have an actual size though, but it looks pretty big.
That's what she said.
It looks about maybe 12, 13 inches tall. I would say about a foot. That's about a foot tall right there. It's about a foot tall, and I'm hoping at least 30 something inches long, but let's take a look. All right, that's pretty cool. So it's almost about the same length as that canvas. Just a nice big rustic color American flag mouse pad. Very, very thick, really heavy duty. So very good material, very good quality. Nice thick rubber in the back for the anti-slip. Didn't slip. Awesome. And this supposedly should have been $35.99, and I think I had like a 90% off coupon. I got this for $1.01. You cannot beat that. You know, I knew it was made in China. I was already aware of that. I just wanted to get some random stuff just so I can see how it is. Quality, very, very nice. I would definitely pay $1 for this all day. Now, I believe if you wanted to buy it regular price without all the discounts, it's $10.18. But still, for $10 for a 12-inch by, I would say about a 30-inch or so American flag, or just a nice solid mouse pad, very, very good deal. Happy with that one. On to the last item. All right, so this is the last item. This is supposed to be a rug, and I ordered a 31-inch by 47-inch gamers area rug. It is very, very light. There's hardly nothing to it, so I'm not expecting much as far as the quality as compared to like the mouse pad. Now, if this was like the mouse pad material, it would have been awesome. It was 31-inch by 47-inch, originally $25.99, and I paid $4.48. So for under $5 for a 30-inch rug, I mean, it's still a good deal. So let's open it up and take a look. So obviously this is gonna be a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna back up here and show you here. I'm gonna unfold it with you guys. So you can already see, what do you got here? You can see the Dreamcast. You can see the Super Nintendo controller. I see a Sega Genesis controller, N64 controller. Oh, that's awesome. Take a look, guys. Oh, let me go back here. Take a look. See the NES controller, the Dreamcast controller, Super Nintendo controller, PlayStation controller, Xbox controller, NES controller, Nintendo DS, and I'm not quite sure what that one is. Looks like something PlayStation possibly, Super Nintendo, PS1, Famicom it looks like. That is awesome. I'll show you right here. 12, 24, 36. Yeah, this is just under 4 feet long. This is definitely the right size. Width 31, because that's about as long as my mouse pad. So 31 by 47, good deal there. Not super, super heavy duty, but just an awesome piece for the game room, for the floor, for $4.48. You can't complain. I'm happy with it. Like I said, if it was a little bit thicker, it would have been even better. I would have paid a few more dollars for a thicker one, like about as thick as that mouse pad. That would have been even better. But like I said, $4 is the change for that. 31-inch by 47-inch game rug for the game room. You can't beat that, guys. So honestly, that's a pretty damn good deal. But for all 4 items, I paid $17 and some change plus tax, with my grand total being $21.89. If I were to buy everything without discounts through other websites, similar items, would have been $95.46. And I paid $21.89 out the door with tax, free shipping for all of that stuff. Basically $5 a piece on the items. Definitely happy. Waiting about 2 weeks for this stuff is definitely awesome. Temu is definitely not a scam. I've heard a lot of people say, oh, Temu is just a scam. It's definitely not a scam. It's just cheap stuff. You know, it's sometimes it's cheap material, sometimes it's no-name brands, it's off brands that you just usually get. The eBay ships from China. It's the exact same thing. It's just enclosed in one area. Like I said, I did wait about 2 weeks for delivery, which I already knew it was gonna take that long anyway. But for $21 for all that stuff, I am super, super happy, and I would definitely buy it from Temu again. Like I said, I just wanted to get a few random things and just to see how it is. For 21 bucks for all that stuff, I am super happy. Almost 100 bucks worth of stuff. I can dig it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have ordered from Temu, let me know if you've gotten burnt, if you've gotten anything good. If you haven't ordered from Temu, let me know if you plan on it. I am super happy with my purchase. 21 bucks, can't complain. So hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one. I'm Tom, Retro Obsessed. It's an obsession. Peace.